Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the iron dish drying rack with Drainboard, a must-have for any kitchen looking to maximize efficiency and style. This sleek, black dish drainer is perfect for dishware and silverware, featuring a 360-degree rotatable drain spout that directs water straight into your sink, keeping your countertop dry and tidy. Its space-saving design means you can handle all your dishes in one go, making it ideal for smaller households or those quick washes after breakfast, lunch, or dinner for a family of 3. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes without any extra tools, thanks to its comprehensive package that includes racks, a water collector tray, a utensil holder, knife slots, and drainage board feet. Measuring 16.9 inches deep, 12.9 inches wide, and 4.9 inches high, this dish rack is both sturdy and convenient, offering a simplistic design that's easy to clean and perfect for organizing your kitchen. With its functional and useful features, this dish drying rack is a game changer for keeping your kitchen organized and your dishes neatly arranged. So, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish solution to your dish drying needs, this iron dish drying rack with Drainboard is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.